Hey everyone, this is Ram. This video features a tour of Rome and my experience staying at the ITC Grand Chola in Chennai. It's one of the best hotels in Chennai and I wanted to stay here since it opened in 2012. Let's get started. I stayed in their executive room. These rooms are designed to meet the demands of business travelers. The 405 square feet room is spacious for 2 people. The room has a queen bed and my sleep quality was amazing. Their pillows are the best. One of the features is that you can control all the electronics in the room using an iPad. You get 2 chairs and a coffee table next to the bed. On the other side, you have a TV and a workspace with a comfortable chair. Any services you might need can be requested using the QR code. Right next to the workspace, you get a closet with an electronic safe, a coffee and tea making station, and an empty mini fridge. The room had a nice view of the city, and that's the Park Hyatt Hotel. With lush green trees surrounding the hotel, you get a relaxing view when you open the curtains. Now let's move to my favorite space in the room. This is undoubtedly one of the best bathrooms I have seen. The marble bathroom is spacious and has everything you would need for not just a comfortable but a luxurious stay. All the toiletries are from ITC owned brands and they were really good. The entire room is lit nicely and has mirrors on different sides. There's a shower cubicle on one side and a lavatory on the other. The hotel offered 3 bottles of water during my stay. But I'm not sure if you could take these bottles with you when you check out. Moving on to breakfast at the Madras Pavilion, I had some South Indian food, which was delicious. The service was excellent and any request I made got handled instantly. Also, do try these tasty jams from the restaurant. I took a few before leaving. Do check out their sleep boutique called Sleep. They have all the pillows, bedding and linen used in their rooms. Their products will definitely transform your sleep quality. To sum it up, I had a fantastic stay. It was a short stay and I felt I needed one more night here. The service at different areas was first class. Every staff I spoke with was courteous and made sure I had the help I needed. And it's something that places hotels like these on a different tier. So this room cost around 15,000 Indian rupees excluding taxes. And the best part of my stay, I didn't pay for it. Special thanks to my cousin's family who hosted an event here. I'm grateful I could stay here and have this hotel checked from my list. Thanks to everyone at the hotel for making my stay an enjoyable one. I would say the room is suitable for business and leisure travelers. You're not just paying for the room, but the experience the hotel offers. If you're not concerned about the pricing, you could consider staying at one of the best hotels in India. That's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next one. You have an amazing day.